All right, this is PA3 for SC456. So the assignment was to create a batch manager and then have reset different priorities for different sprite batches. So I created 4 different sprite batches, one for Pac-Man, Angry Birds, Aliens, and then a box. So then during the demo, it's going to change the priority for the Angry Birds batch and then change it back. So it should be drawn before everything else and then after everything else. And so I will run this to demonstrate that. So you can see over here with the blackbird, so it's going behind the ghost and then now in front, and then it should change from in front to behind, just like so. And that's pretty much the end of the demo.